Hi, this is Sara Marks, one of the librarians here at UMass Lowell. For this video, I'm going to show you how to search our catalog and request books from North Campus. Start at our library webpage, uml.edu/library. You can get here from any campus webpage. Once you're here, scroll down into the navigation section. Don't worry about these links. Focus here. The second one is for our catalog, which is books. Let's do Spanish Flu and search. We have a lot of ebooks, so you might not even have to worry about getting something that might only be at North. Notice a lot say View Now, and that means you can get it directly online. But here's bird flu. What if you wanted to know about that instead? And it says available, Leiden Library, 3rd and 4th floors. We'll actually deliver it to you here on South Campus from North if you don't go over across the campus. Just click on the book and it will tell you request delivery to library. Click on this and it's going to ask you for your UMS number, but some people actually get their 16-digit ID. But if you have just a UMS number, not a library card number, don't worry. Sometimes, if you've never done this before, you need to set or reset your password. Sometimes, if you've never done anything with your library card before, you need to go to the front desk of the library at either Leiden or O'Leary, South for O'Leary, North for Leiden, and register your library card. This is not something that is automatically done for you, so make sure your card is registered. Then, once you have reset or set your password, sign in. And it will take you to the form. This is not interlibrary loan, so you don't need to go to the interlibrary loan system. We have the book. You're just getting it sent to the different library. You tell it where you want it. You want it from Leiden's 3rd and 4th floor, where you want to pick it. If you need it for a specific date range, you tell them, and then any notes if you think there are any necessary, and you submit. And in about a day, maybe a day and a half, the book will be delivered to South Campus and you'll be notified. And that's all you have to do to get a book sent to South Campus from North Campus. If you have any questions or hit any roadblocks doing this, let a librarian know. We're here to help.